We'll guide you through how to add screen record on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are on an iPhone, and so you wanted to go and screen record. In order to do this, you'll need to go and have the screen record button. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. So to go and get started, what you need to do is we need to go and drag down on the top right on the battery to open the control center like so. Here we are. Now, what you need to do is you want to come to the top left, and there you're going to see a plus. You want to go and tap that plus like this. Then you go and see the remove button appears, and you can drag them as well, but you need to go and press add a control at the bottom. Then in here, find screen recording. I can see it there, but you can always go and search for it at the top and tap on it. And there it is. And you can then tap off of it. Then you can tap and hold on it, and you can choose photos with the microphone on or off and press start recording. That's it. You're now recording. And when you want to go and stop it, you can press the bar at the top and press stop.